Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is our project binder.
We are the Capital Teens, Team 1646.
This is Kathy.
This is Caitlin.
This is Kat.
This is Shreya.
This is Caroline.
This is Grace.
This is Tommy.
This is Sophia.
And that's Jade.
We selected electronic devices as our trash item. These devices contain valuable minerals. Companies want consumers to recycle these devices to other organizations who then use these devices to build new devices.
Over the summer, our team visited Covanta, an organization which turns waste into power or energy.
At Covanta, we met with expert Kevin McGonigal, an environmental health and safety specialist. He taught us that at Covanta, they first collect trash, then burn it to capture energy, and finally use giant magnets to capture precious metals to reuse.
While we were researching, we found that 90% of American adults own a mobile phone. 32% own a e-reader, 42% own a tablet or computer. Many minerals can be found in the screen, battery, wiring, and casing of a smartphone. Some of these minerals include gold, silver, magnesium compounds, tin, and lead. Because of this, many companies want these minerals to be reused in future devices.
70% of toxic waste is electronic waste, and 85% of electronic waste is in incinerators or landfills. Only 12.5% of e-waste is recycled.
140 million cell phones will end up in the landfill this year. 80,000 pounds of lead will leak into the earth. To learn more about the environmental effects of this toxic waste, we met with Robert Bernofsky, environmental educator at Loudoun County Parks and Recreation. He shared how this impacts the entire ecosystem and it gets into our food supply.
Existing solutions include dropping off your devices at specified locations or by mailing them in. How many devices do you have that need to be recycled?
The problem with existing solutions today is humans. If it's not easy, humans will opt to take the easy route and not recycle and just throw it away instead.
Introducing Recycling Buddy, the smart recycling bin that is connected to Wi-Fi and a smartphone app. There's also an ultrasonic sensor that can detect fill level.
The ultrasonic sensor sends a wave into the bin. The time it takes for the wave to come back measures the distance from the sensor to the bin. The shorter the time, the more full the bin is.
Last year, we met with a Ryan Fria technology expert. He showed us how to use and program an Arduino, an open source computer hardware and software program. We built our prototype using the Arduino. We used the Arduino as the brain, a Wi-Fi shield to connect to the internet, an LCD to display to show information, a breadboard and battery pack, and an ultrasonic sensor to measure the bin's fill level.
The Cloud app connects with the owner's smartphone through the internet. The Cloud application gets signals from Recycle Buddy and sees if the recycling bin is full or not. If the recycling bin is less than half full, it will store the data. But if the recycling bin is more than half full, it will notify the owner through an app on their smartphone or through text messages.
The app will also tell the owner if there is a recycling center nearby, and if there is, it'll give them directions.
There's also the option of leaving your recycling things outside, so the securest company or other recycling companies can come pick it up. Like school bus routes, our application can help companies be efficient in arranging neighborhood pickups based on the number of pickups in each neighborhood.
The Cloud app provides information for the owner, providing information for the owner on what is available in their area or that they can coordinate a pickup. If you live in an area with no pickups or drop-offs, the app can help you mail them in.
To encourage people to recycle their electronics, our app would have virtual awards like virtual money. For the bin, we estimate a cost of around $100. After talking to our experts, we realized that to implement our device, it would be around $100,000. To pay back the money, we plan to sell units to consumers and companies. Our hope is that the materials being recycled will balance out our fee.
We shared with Securus, an electronics recycling company. We also shared with our Girl Scouts troop and on the internet. To learn more, you can visit us on YouTube or at
www.capitalteens.us.